Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, bringing you guys another fun-filled video. This video is literally about what I got at the beauty supply, aka my job, because we got new stuff, and some of the stuff ain't new. I just picked it up anyway. So there is a few items, and I don't want to spend all day and have this video stupid long. So let's get into it. So number one, we're going to talk about the eyelashes because the eyelashes are what I wear anyway. So I got the Miz Lash. And this is their 3D mink. I have them in number 6. I got 2 packages of number 6, which is, like I said, my all-time favorite lash ever. Pretty dope too. I actually like the way these feel. I have a pair on right now, which is the 23s. There goes my other pair of 23. Okay. There goes my other pair of 23s. But they're mink they're on the mink style, so basically like how you how they would look if you had got what are those things? Lash extensions. So they're kind of like that. And I really like these. These are so comfortable. The pair that I have on, I literally been wearing like 15 times. So it was time for me to get new ones. So now we're gonna get into my fave, which is makeup. I can do makeup all day. So starting off, this is actually what I'm wearing today, is the NYX. So most of the products come from NYX. I'm just gonna go and tell y'all that now. So I have the NYX Bare With Me Skin Tint Skin Veil. Basically it's a what is this? It's a I can't think. What is it? Oh, it's a tinted, basically it's a tinted moisturizer. So like I said, I have this on today along with a concealer, powder, and all that fun stuff, and it's stupid lightweight. So let me tell you guys, I will break this down a little bit further later on in the future about the different type of foundations, skin tints, and BB creams. I'll definitely break those down of what they are, but this is just pretty much just a haul video. But this stuff is life, and it does come in a wide array of colors. I believe it comes in 8 or 10 colors if I remember correctly. I have to check and see. But this was life. I love that. This is actually, let's see, I have the NYX Hydro Touch Primer. This primer I had actually just ran out of, and I was so happy that we actually got it at work. So now I can actually buy it from work and I don't have to order it anywhere. But this right here, if you have dry skin and you're looking for a really good primer for your face, if you take the first base face primer, which is in the spray, if you take that, mix with this, and if you have like open pores, you take a pore filler and then put your makeup on, this alone will keep your face moisturized while you have on your foundation. And you can wear a mattifying foundation with that and have that primer on, so your skin underneath there is actually being moisturized, so you don't have to worry about it being over drying or you know, giving you the casket ready face basically. I also have the Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna probably use it tomorrow. But I do have their foundation, and I love the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. But I will do a full face using nothing but NYX products because believe it or not, I love MAC. I love high-end makeup. But if there was a beauty supply brand that's my go-to, that is my all-time favorite, it's probably NYX, and that's because their products are always impeccable. Like it's a few products that I just won't buy again, but there's some pieces that I have that are staples that I'm always going to use. But I definitely will be trying this out, and I can't wait. I didn't use this one yet, but I use this one, and this is the Born to Glow Radiant Concealer, and I have mine in the colors Warm Honey. I use this for my under eye to actually give me a subtle highlight, and then I can actually, I'm missing an item. I have the setting powder too, the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, but we'll talk about that in a minute. This concealer is so blendable, words can't even describe. Like as soon as I put it on there, let it sit for a minute and then blend it out, it blended like butter. Like it was so freaking amazing. I love this. But yes, so the highlight that I used was the Warm Honey. And this one I was supposed to use as a contour, but like I said, I'll probably end up using it tomorrow to see how well it does as a really good contour. And I got mine in Deep. I believe this was actually called Deep Sable, but they just have Deep on here. But it blends out to be like a perfect contour for my skin tone. And of course, I will do a video on different types of how to contour, basically how to contour, and different products that you can use to contour. And then I did get the foundation, which is the Born to Glow foundation, and I got mine in Mahogany. Sometimes when picking out foundations, and I will do a video on how to pick out the perfect foundation, and how to actually, excuse my ear itch, and how to actually color match yourself a little bit better to get that perfect skin tone. But it was a little difficult picking out my color because most of these I noticed that some of them were too orangey. Some of them were actually too like almost too yellow. Like it was like too bright. But hopefully I found the right one. If not, I know how to tweak mine to make it my color. So I definitely picked up this foundation. And the last thing I got was an eyeshadow palette, which I cannot wait because I'm about to create a real pretty orange look with some glitter. So hopefully this works out perfect. But it's from one of my favorite companies. Another that's in the beauty supply that most people actually don't know about. It's called Mora. And I have the Dreamscape. It's the Dream Series palette. And you guys are about to see these colors, and it's why I fell in love with this palette. I have a good portion of their palettes. I think it's only one left that I don't have. But do y'all not see how bright these colors are? Like these colors. And y'all can't even see this color because it looks like yellow on there, but it's orange. So ever since I saw that color, it made me want to just gravitate for it. And I cannot wait. Sorry, I'm going to remove the camera. But everything that I got, it was, I think everything put together was about $100. I know that's a lot, especially on makeup for some people, especially when you're starting off and you're learning these things, but you got to think about it. I'm not a beginner. I'm actually used to spending that much for my makeup. So it's actually pretty reasonable for me to spend that much, but I understand that that is a lot. But I'm going to tell you guys, sometimes you can go cheaper and you can go a little bit higher on your makeup. It just really, it's trial and error. But I know most of the products that I picked, I've either used it before or I've been playing with it, been testing with it, and I actually like the product. And some of them have actually completely surprised me. Like that skin moisturizer, I'll probably be buying more of that because this is probably going to be my go-to Sunday face, basically. So yeah, so everything that I got, I'm completely happy with. I cannot wait to create magic. I can't wait to show you guys what I created. And I love doing like little hauls. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me do more haul videos, because I definitely love doing hauls. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.